Man, I just learned a very valuable lesson. I took my kayak out of storage. I wanted to get a little ride in, but it's been in storage for about probably a year. And I thought I cleaned it up pretty good after I rode it last time and, hosed it down, let it fully dry for 48 hours. But here's something I didn't do, which is why I'm making this video, because I don't want anybody else to make this mistake. These zippers have completely rotted. Here's a good one, but it's rotted underneath. You can't see it, but under there you can't zip it. This in the floorboard, this one's good. So when you inflate these inflatable kayaks, you see how this is buckling out now? So this zipper, this will be tight to hold that in so that you get a nice firm pontoon, But if you can't zip these up, this is gonna bubble out. You can't pull it up to the max. This zipper here in the floorboard completely just rotted, man. Just rotted. And now I can't zip up to keep the baffles down. This zipper's this one was okay. That one was okay. And the one over there is better too, but now both zippers are shot, Zipper right there and both zippers right there. So what you do after you do your ride, after you do your cleaning, take some Vaseline, take some WD-40, take some oil, anything, but oil your zippers. Oil that part that holds the zipper, the clasp, or whatever that is. Just oil your zippers before you put it away. Because I guarantee you, if I had done that, that probably wouldn't have happened. At least I don't think it would have happened. I mean, give me your opinion, let me know. But now, to save this thing, I'd have to get brand new zippers put on it, and it's not worth that. I mean, to do that costs more than what the kayak's worth. Anyway, a little help.